If Yoruba or Igbo were to be Boko Haram, there would have been war in Nigeria today. But because there is no Yoruba man or Igbo man among the group of Boko Haram, that is why they are being celebrated today. To my greatest surprise, Nigeria Army is calling the terrorist group, that is Boko Haram, to come for them to dialogue. But shame to the Eastern governor. The same army that is calling Boko Haram, which is a terrorist group, to come for them to dialogue, is the same army that Eastern governor will allow to come for their land and start killing their brother and sister in the name of their IPOB member or their IPOB family. What a shameful and disgrace to our governors. How can you be a governor? How can you be in a seat of a governor as a ceremonial governor? After working, you deliver 80% to the Northerners. Thank God you are seeing it with your own eyes. It's now official that the same army where you they bring come your own land to start killing your brother and your sister. That same army now is the one going to dialogue with the Boko Haram. These people you are calling the presidency, they have all used your brain. Just because you want power. They gave you the power and then take your brain from you. Yes, you are there as a governor, but check your brain. Is it working? Can you see the mathematics? You are sending the same army now that is going to apologize for Boko Haram. And you is still there killing your brother, calling them IPOB, calling them Biafra. Do you say you have brain? No, I don't want to insult anybody, and I don't like insulting anybody. What I ask is question. Do you say you have brain? No, if you have brain, indicate you have brain. For killing your own brother, inviting the same army that is going to apologize to terrorist group now, and you tell me you have brain. What kind of brain do you say you have? If you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Ambassador.